Good evening and welcome to Porcupine, stand here on YouTube with Sir Obed. Porcupine stand with Sir Obed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So constantly you'll be seeing the changes. And by the end of the month of February, now you move to March, na Porcupine stand, Monse na pine basa. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Dini Asasano from Silver TV to Porcupine Stand. Makasa Silver TV will be used for something else. When all is said and done, we'll do the announcement here on this particular page. Nene, young common tiawa and most people didn't get a chance to watch Kotoko game on board against Karela. So what we will do is that you pick your one almost seen her. I share match highlights now. And also another coach, no venue, no, Abuaye, and Yaki Kambo made player ratings neighbor, and that is why I checked, because we needed a comprehensive views of those who are the venue to know exactly what went wrong with Asante Kotoko. Send you a trans and you can. You bet me I can't send you a TNF fatter. Now I know I got to line up. Tactically, Kotoko keep put a 3-back system. So it was a 3-5-2 system maintained by Coach Ogum. Moise Poitier, the goalkeeper. Peter Aqua, right wing back. Enoch Morrison, left wing back. Then you get Yusuf Nuruddin as a centre back. Pillar with Sharif Mohammed as a left centre back. Now when Emmanuel Kote as Kote, I don't know why I struggle with this guy's name. Kote and now Kote, whatever. Emmanuel was playing as a right centre back. Sanity, game. Now the middle not just display. It move from defense to the defensive midfield area. Then Baba Richmond Lamte Kipu, the two creative midfield position intact. Now when you branch a friend Julius Oforizigi say all partner Steve Mukwala ewenim ho ede ma Asante Kotoko. So this was the lineup. I had no Kotoko ede ejina kono a boy against Karela United. Now changes bemu Bena Sumwa bemu Eric Zeze bemu George Mfege bemu and Abante friend Michael Che Jamna womuso ebemu. So we are going to do an assessment from different views near Canning in our boom. Goalkeeper Moise Poitier 5/10. Not the best of performance from the goalkeeper. Let's state it on record. I mean, so far in the MTN FA Cup, no, now Abrante make name for himself. Now on knocking on the doors when it comes to Yemen a chance to be the main goalkeeper of Asante Kotoko based on a modern bar now all done it, you know. Na Osha Abrante na Kotoko Nations, Kotoko Baby and Go Stars, and a Kotoko Karela Anko Yaman. When Timian keep a clean sheet and he had 5 for her. The worst that was described was that and yet the best of performance. Coach no here Poitier no I in this particular rating to me. He said that was the first time I all heard goalkeeper no, and he will be honest. He was not impressed with Moise Poitier, and that is what coach at the Emami or Peter Aminu Aqua as a right wing back, coach at 5.5 yes, or say one or the other who say the atmosphere and the condition, weather condition her boy and kakra, but I say he is impressed with the boy, and clearly Adiaba coach a talent. I say Peter Aminu Aqua is a talent or person and no corner no. But Obisam, the age of the boy, to me, so below 20 years, it's okay. Now it makes a lot of sense because the final delivery of the player, idea or expect Asante Kotoko technical team to work on. But in terms of his understanding of a role now, coach in Yamano, now Branty and Tiasie pa, and he was described him as a talent. How did he say with time, and much polishing and a sharpening, this is a player that Kotoko will get much out of him. Into a man 5.5 to together with eyewitness it looks like that's the same level of ratings on my Peter Aqua Enoch Morrison. Morrison. Yeah, Morrison, people were not impressed with you and Ra. Morrison will go down with 4.5 in the game. Coach need to just say Washa Morrison that. And on share Morrison, he's been watching Kotoko matches on TV where Morrison able as a left wing back. But on share Morrison as a left wing back. Now in this analysis, on said Morrison's work rate was not the best according to him. And to catch him say he was not surprised a coach in the free in the second half because he expected say the level of creativity and attacking brilliance no him say Morrison one. He will not blame him so much for defensive work, but not so expected say ball no go anymore. He wanted to see more of Enoch Morrison. His delivery in the final zones na coach ne so or pese ekosoro chain die ohuye no and we did say Morrison were adwuma esese wo ye pa because defensively no so Kotoko na play enye player no wo ko nanim bebre no just in front of the back three. Inti say Morrison should get the confidence to surge forward, shoot, create chances and even get closer to the penalty box to also do finishing. Because Wabo as an number 10, Morrison Abo as a false 9, or some Morrison Ben penalty box now will be boosted on Corbeyer. Or say no, one shed there who's no, and free a branch of Morrison into my Morrison, a 4.5. Young comedy and Sharif Mohammed defending your 4. Yusuf Nuruddin your 5.5. And Emmanuel Korte in your 6.5. That is the ratings of the backline. Now, opinion no edi Korte ho adanse pa. O say abrante na Kotoko akofa no. Se ya na obebo de a obebu ni yi. Na enra coach need to just say one say he plays as a right back. So most people were expecting him say Obo as a right back no and as a Kotoko team no. Omo no as a right back where he will surge forward, where he will create chances, the crosses no obema ye adwuma. But I see position now coach in the boy and one fanambo as a right back. So if you decide to assess Emmanuel Kote's performance based on his crosses, based on his deliveries, you'll be making a big mistake because any adwuma coach eka somewhere on the field. Or say he loved the energy now boy in the bishim. And also clearly the kind of energy that you get from a player club assigning the for and the first game of person making a good impression. Until also with that, the tackles now just that presence in the air. And also there were occasions that he was bullied by a Karela United players because of his height. But I say, I believe say Kotoko, a proper left back there. He would prefer Kotoko operating in a back four system based on no senior share because the Kote ebe right back now or that supplies no bit media Kotoko anymore. But cite example say even from deep zones now boy in the crosses and then the long passes they are very very accurate. For a player or boy build up from a Chihono when they say na a year, so he was impressed with his first impression. None any home and into normal brand and s 6.5. Or sim Nuruddin so no the energy level on set match now there was some level of intensity. And Karela players at the best ball and Kotoko needed somebody at the backer or be involved in those air battles again because of Kote height in now Kotoko he will be that command in the air. And according to the coach, that was Yusuf Nuruddin again. A late clearance, a go area clearance, and as a boy, a clearance, and a tackling, they are there to him, Obemano a 5.5 or seen any Anje Mohammed Sharif who be because when him say Kotoko and or player say him build it, say him pass the ball and Konanima, when this Mohammed Sharif defender is a better passer of the ball than any of the Kotoko a year or more backline. No? But again, yet misplaced passes from him. He did not enjoy how I know build it. The level of confidence on the ball, no, Nani answered Angie Hubebre, and Untinoma Branton 4. Ewa Medi Emma Richmond Lamte ended the game with 6. Justice Blay ended the game with 5. And Babayaya also ended the game with 4.5. I say, this was not a game obetimi akase Babayaya eba party no. He struggled and he was not surprised coach no. Babayaya free throughout the game no. He was missing in action. I said the Kotoko midfield three no Ritia Lamte first, followed by Blay, then Babayaya in the midfield three. I said second half no, and Abrante fan Justice Blay really had a sloppy game. But in the first half, he commanded the area. He battled for the ball, the interceptions, the tackles, no. But second half, no mobile, no. And who say Blay, no. As a sending and a 90 accelerator, no. I started drop kakra. Na Abdulatif mo winning the midfield battler. And Lubi Kahon and a man second half, no. Pressure back at defense, no. Emo consider go. So he also stated say the performance of Yaya and the performance of Blay, no. He was not surprised coach in the EU free mu. Osi Blay excellent first half, but the second half was not the Blay with him no. Osan statis ABA on say he expected much from Blay. On say bua he also expected much from Babayaya because when him send Babayaya born the ball no. But I say Abdul Latif man the point cry. I say I action no magic. Inti enye match which me aka say one of the best games of Babayaya. But again, he made mention say Lamptey will always be doing his thing. Say yen spread the passes no ko enim, yen try say be control game no, yen try say be dictate the pace no. We did this on bay. So I asked him a question. So watching Justice Blay and matches Wahel Kotoko our mobile against a teams no. What is his opinion about Blay replacing the Sheriff Mohammed? So that is not a question. If the first half performance of Justice Blay no and one of Babe Twaso there. Then Kotoko will not have a problem with Abrantia, your friend Sharif Mohammed injury. No, again, or say Michael Che Jamana or my Che Jamana 5.5 from the bench, or say stability and control there. Che Jamana the Beshim, and again, Che Jamana was giving decent passes. The kind of passes are not Che Jamana mano, or say na it was much accurate. And a Kotoko build up no, but Jifu then he start the process, he spread it to the areas he deserves circle into my change amount 5.5. And I say these two players, you know, how they operated, no, Odilise Kotoko can survive without Sharif Mohammed. George Mfege, before I move to Mfege, let me talk about Mukwala. Mukwala 4.5. You'll see he was not impressed with Mukwala. And player man, the least ratings was Julius Oforizigi. Our man 3.5 over 10. And no the onema Zigi 3.5 over 10. And no man a year in Fege so 3. But I don't say in Fege free bench by and the intia in Fege na 3 no was a year the yellow card so obeje into say no so the ratings of Infege. Bernard Somwa or say Somwa and a year Abrantia. Your friend Peter Aminu Akwadie, or your talent as Asante Kotoko Enya. And also some watching game, no. The confidence about and taking on defenders or the drive team forward, no. He told me he was impressed with it. I don't want to use so many words. How he described Bernard Somwano in an entire conversation. Okay, Somwano something will be any of the players. Artists were Brand and Asempa. So this is the ratings in Fege. Senemika, Enya 3, Mukwala Enya 4.5, Eric says Su Enya 4.5. So clearly, Utimu said it was not a gamer. You can say much positive about Santiago because player the rating score so was 6.5 over 10, and that should let you know say it was a bad day at the office for Team FN Kumasi Santiago. And moving forward, the team, the players need to make amends. Our next game is against Inswatremai, the President Kufuor Cup or the Baba Sports Stadium. Things must change for Asante Kotoko. So flop of the game ɛyɛ aberante fɛn Julius Oforizigi clearly ɔsɛ Zugi ɛsɛ ɔpagya ball no the touches ɛyɛ the control over the ball but sɛnea na ɔ expecting sɛ obetumi ashow the dominance ɛwɔ game no aberante no ntumi anyɛ so it looks like he sided with the coach on all the changes on Morrison, changes on Delay, changes ɛwɔ aberante a yɛfrɛ no Ziggy, any changes on Baba Yaya no. It looks like he was okay with all these changes ɛno ɛyɛ deɛ efi ɔba ɛde ma mo ɛwɔ Porcupine stand with Sir Obed. Yɛda mo ase bebree. Bye bye.